Hello dear viewers, welcome back. Today I have come with a new video, and in today's video I am going to solve this problem. And the question is, if one of the roots of the equation x square minus 10x plus 14 is equal to 0 is 5 plus root n, then find the value of n. Here it is a quadratic equation, and it is given by the question that one of the roots of this given equation is 5 plus root n. Here n is unknown, and now using this hint we have to calculate the value of this n. So now let's begin the solution. Here in the question, the given equation is x square minus 10x plus 14 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation, and it is given by the question its one solution. That means its one root is 5 plus root n. And now using this hint we have to calculate the value of this unknown n. So we have to calculate the value of n here. So first of all, let us generalize this given equation, and we know in a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, its roots are given by this equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here in the given equation x square minus 10x plus 14, if we compare this equation with this standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then we can say that the value of a is 1, b is minus 10, and the value of c is 14. Now its roots are given by this equation. X is equal to minus b is minus 10 here, plus or minus under root b square, that is minus 10 square, minus 4 into a is 1 here, into c is 14 here, upon in the denominator 2 into a. Here the value of a is 1 here. And now in the next line, minus into minus plus 10 plus or minus under root minus 10 square is 100, minus into plus is minus, 4 into 14 is 56, and in the denominator 2 ones are 2. Now let us simplify this 100 minus 56. So in the next line it becomes 10 plus minus 100 minus 56 is 44, and in the denominator there is 2. Now from this square root 44 we can take 4 outside, and it becomes 10 plus minus under root 4 into 11 upon 2. So in the next line it becomes 10 plus minus 2 under root 11 upon 2, because when 4 comes out of the square root it becomes 2 only. And in the next line it becomes 5 plus or minus under root 11. Now these are the two roots of this given quadratic equation, 5 plus root 11 and 5 minus root 11. But one solution is given by the equation, that is 5 plus root n. Now let us compare the positive root of the given equation with the one given root of the equation. So now given root according to the equation is 5 plus root n, and this is equal to the positive root. Let us consider positive root here, 5 plus root 11. Now these two 5's on both sides will be cancelled, and this gives under root n is equal to under root 11. And now if we square both sides, this gives n is equal to 11. Therefore the value of this given unknown n is 11 here, and this is the solution to this problem. So guys, this much for today, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and also to drop your comments in the comment section.